This is News 14 Carolina Meteorologist Matthew East, and this is the May 18th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. And the big weather story for us the next couple of days is this push of cooler, drier air that's moving in. These are the temperatures this morning across the lower 48. And while you see the freezing line plotted on this map well up north in the Great Lakes region, there are some pockets of sub-freezing temperatures in parts of eastern Ohio and West Virginia, southwestern Pennsylvania, and western New York State this morning. And there are some freeze warnings up in that area this morning. There's the radar here around our area, and it's been a rainy night. You probably heard it on your rooftops at times yesterday evening and last night, but that band of rain, this is as of 5:15 this morning, that band of rain is already made it from a line from, say, Raleigh-Durham on down toward Columbia, South Carolina. That is advancing slowly eastward. So Charlotte and the Triad, we're done with the rain as that continues to advance farther to the east. Here's the upper air pattern for today, and pretty nice trough carved out here over the eastern part of the country. And that is going to deliver us some cooler than average weather here for the next couple of days. There's a look at the surface map today. Nice high pressure building on in from the north. Sunshine will return today. In fact, we'll see a lot of sunshine as the day unfolds and the cloud cover clears out from west to east. And we'll see a clear sky tonight. Oh, by the way, highs in the 60s today, so cooler than average day. And with the clear sky overhead tonight, it is going to be a chilly night. It looks like we'll challenge record low temperatures in many Piedmont locations tonight. It looks like many of us pretty close to 40 degrees for low temperatures, and some spots could certainly dip into the upper 30s tonight. So a chilly night on the way. And up in the mountains, there'll certainly be a few spots that see a light freeze and many spots that see some frost issues coming up tomorrow morning. And then it'll be a nice day, highs in the lower 70s with a sunny sky for tomorrow. All right, Wednesday, still look dry. Still looks like a lot of sunshine out there and getting a little milder, highs mid to upper 70s Wednesday, but still pretty low levels of humidity. And after that, that is when the GFS and the other modeling take two separate paths, and I think the other modeling is probably correct. Let me show you the GFS solution, though, and it all hinges on whether this area of low pressure develops off the coast later this week. The GFS develops in the northern Bahamas on Wednesday, and then pulls that slug of moisture on the north side of the low right up into the Carolinas Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. But I don't really think that's correct, and here's why. Let me show you the UK Met model, and this is valid Wednesday evening. And this might be a little quick, but certainly you get the idea of the low farther south than what the GFS depicts, and so therefore the shield of rain to the north of the low is in Georgia, maybe South Carolina, but probably not in North Carolina. And here is the European model. It's even farther south with the low, and this is Tuesday evening, but I just want to show you that it develops that low much farther to the south of the GFS, and the Canadian does as well. So the GFS really on its own with the solution of deep tropical moisture here into much of North Carolina later this week. So for the forecast package I put out this morning, I have gone with a dry forecast right through the next 7 days. Now, I have to throw this caveat out there that it is possible that if the GFS is correct, certainly we'll have to ramp up the rain chances Thursday into the weekend. But right now I think that is the outlying solution. It'll certainly get warmer. It'll certainly get muggier as the week unfolds. But the rain chances, at least to me right now, look relatively low. But it all depends on where that low pressure develops later this week, and we'll keep watching that. All right, that's it for this latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everyone have a wonderful Monday, and God bless.